What's going on? Welcome to Shoot and Shave. Tonight's brush is going to be my Yaqi BarberPole brush here. This is a massive synthetic brush with a 30mm knot, tuxedo style. Soap tonight is going to be Barrister Mann Cologne Russe. Razor tonight is going to be my Gem Junior. Let's go ahead and get this brush locked and loaded. We'll talk about this soap a little bit. Alright, so scent notes, I got them written down over here. Scent notes. You got top notes of lemon, bergamot, petite grain. Heart notes of violet, rose, bay, and amber. Base notes of vanilla. Scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale, I would have to put it a 6.5. Really decent scent strength. Very, 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 very nice scent. And out of all those notes that I just read off, I can't pick I can't pick a scent note that I smell more. It's very well blended. Very, very nice. Alright, got this brush locked and loaded. Plenty of excess cream. Yeah, wow, nice scent. Rinse off the puck here. And go into a face lather. So how is everybody doing? Hope you were all well. Hope your shaves are going good. As we speak, I'm filming this on a Friday night. Just a few days away from New Year's. So this will probably be the last shave I do this year, so Happy New Year to you all. What are your plans? What are you guys doing? You going to dinner? You going out? What are you going to do to celebrate the new year? Anybody have resolutions? My resolution is to make no resolutions, because I can't keep them. Yeah, very, very nice scent. It's a date night tonight, so I wanted something a little more cologne-y. So I figured I'd go with this. I'm not sure what I'm going to match it with, though, for aftershave. I don't really have anything that smells quite like this. Get a little more water in here. More water. All right, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna go first pass here. I've got about, I think, 2 or 3 days growth here. Haven't had a shave since my last video. This is like my 3rd or 4th shave with this razor, and it's very, 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 very comfortable to use. Very efficient. What I really like about these razors is that it's really easy to find an angle. I mean, you just basically put it flat on the face like this and just pull down. You rinse up here real quick. I don't find these razors to be all that aggressive. I'm not sure how many uses I can get out of these blades. I've heard a couple of different people tell me that you can get about 5 or 6 uses, maybe even more, out of a single blade. I did have to change the blade in the G-bar the last time I used it, and I only used it twice. So maybe I just had a bad blade, I don't know. But I'm not sure how many options I have too for blades with these gem razors. I'm still kind of learning about them and not sure what's out there. So if you guys have any blade recommendations or anything like that, I'm all ears. Leave it in the comments below. All right, second pass here. And so far, this feels very nice. And I'm not putting much weight on this razor at all. Still trying to find that right, especially when I go against the grain, right amount of pressure. And I'm trying not to, even though, well, I'm trying not to put any on, but there's still a little bit of pressure you put on. And I'm still trying to find that right, that sweet spot. This razor isn't really that heavy, not like some of my other razors. Ah, that feels nice. So yeah, you do gotta, so I do find myself like adding a little pressure, but not a whole lot. With the first pass, it's just easy, you just slide it down, but with that against the grain pass, I find myself adding some pressure because otherwise I feel like I'm not doing much cutting. Like I said before, it's surprisingly very mild of a shaver to me, in my opinion. I don't find it very aggressive at all. Not too much blade feel. I mean, it feels a little rigid. It's not flexible like the DE blades, but It's not like my which razor can I compare it to? My geez, I can't remember what razor I have. My Mercury Progress on 5. It's not aggressive like that at all. Okay, cleanup pass. All right, I think that's gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the sink, clean up my gear. I'll see you guys for post-shave. For post-shave tonight, I'm gonna go with the Thayer's Lavender Scented Witch-hazel here. I'm gonna have to pick some more up soon. I am almost out. Nice healthy dose. Oh man, very, very nice shave. Very, very nice shave tonight. Splash tonight is going to be Perfumology Clutch. This is really, really nice smelling stuff. It is date night tonight, so I want to be smelling good. Lisa and I haven't been out to dinner by ourselves probably in about 6 months. Maybe not that long, but it's been a while. And we're getting ready to go on vacation to Nashville. Her and I haven't been on a trip together since 2014, so it's been a while. Okay, recap of what I used tonight. Razor was the Gem Junior. Soap was Barrister Mann Cologne Russe. Brush tonight was my Yaqi BarberPole brush here. Post shave, I went with the Thayer's Lavender Scented Witch-hazel. Splash was Perfumology Clutch. And that's gonna do it for this shave. I wish you guys a wonderful, happy, and healthy new year. And I'll see you guys again soon for another shave. Take care.